Hello, everybody. This is Priya Gupta. I hope that you all are safe in this quarantine period. Listener is always curious about the speaker. So let's have some primary introduction of mine. Starting from my academics, I'm an engineering postgraduate and have 13 plus years of academic experience from University of Mumbai. Right now, I'm working as a consultant for technical contents and faculty at Skillville, which is Vidyalankar's edutech company that offers upskilling programs to working professionals and freshers across the domains of IT, BFSI, and management. Today's topic of this audio seminar is reimagining research methodology with data science. So, do you know which is the most famous and most controversial dream in the history of science? It is a dream of vision of Ouroboros. So, what is Ouroboros? Ouroboros is a snake consuming its own tail. German scientist Friedrich August Kekule, the era of the scientist is 1829 to 1896, witnessed this dream and found the shape of benzene ring. Was it a sleep dream, daydream, or something else? But whatever it was, it gave a birth to very important scientific invention. As far as a hypothesis is concerned, hypothesis is supposition or proposed explanation made on a basis of limited evidences as a starting point for further investigation. Imagination can be also called as the origin of hypothesis. Imagination can be inspired by many things, like looking at other data, mythology, and even intangible things like dream too. As discussed earlier, benzene ring structure design was a product of Ouroboros dream vision by Frederick August Kekule. Since 1990, research evaluation parameters have been changed and became more broader. The societal benefits of research came into the scope with parameters like societal output, societal use, and societal benefits. Society can re-app the research if and only if research is convertible to marketable and consumable products and services. Traditional ways of performing research involves steps like identifying the problem, data gathering as per the problem requirement, stating null hypothesis, and performing experiments followed by result verification. If new data agrees to the hypothesis, then he or she, means researcher, can formulate next new hypothesis. If it does not agree, researcher can change assumed hypothesis. The traditional way of performing research is surprisingly getting influenced with a big bang tech with title big data. Don't you think that existence of huge amount of data may impact research too? Don't you think that the era of petabyte and zettabyte of data will give rise to various research methods? Will the methods of performing research will become complicated or get simplified due to existence of this huge data? Mr. Chris Anderson is former editor-in-chief of Wired magazine. In his article with title The End of Theory, the data deluge makes the scientific methods obsolete. This is the title of his article. In this article, he says that in this era of big data and supercomputing, the traditional hypothesis driven scientific methods would become obsolete. Here onwards, no any theory behind hypothesis or experiments is needed to prove the hypothesis. But the only thing which will count is sophisticated algorithms and statistical tools, which will convert the data into information and in turn knowledge. Inductive and deductive, these are two reasoning methods to perform research. So, inductive reasoning is a method in which data can be studied to bring ultimate conclusion. In contrast, deductive reasoning supports hypothesis and checking validity of it with various methods. Big data science witnesses importance to inductive reasoning in the form of technology-based empiricism and can inspire a view of future. And automated data mining will directly lead to new discoveries, resulting into replacement of traditional hypothesis-driven way of research with hypothesis-neutral way of creating knowledge from data and information processing. Analyzing the large amount of data can result into different data patterns and will result into novel and often surprising correlations. Inductive processes and statistical manipulations applied on data will result into newly derived hypotheses in contrast with assumed hypothesis testing traditional method. Any research goal can be roughly stated as discovering or finding something which was neither expected nor new and see the relationship amongst the elements. To find the relationships amongst elements needs correlation theory. Only finding the correlations will not be sufficient, but that correlations has to be studied further to assign them certain meanings. So we can put forward our own viewpoint. Here, always more data doesn't mean more knowledge, but yes, to gather right information which acts as the origin of knowledge, size of data do matter. Deductive and inductive approaches of performing research should go hand in hand to convert the information into knowledge. Data driven approach will survive with statistical methods, but the phase at which correlation in data pattern fails, hypothesis driven approach of research will act as a helping hand to proceed further in the research. Research and development is common and very important sector in all the existing domain. Whether it is science, whether it is technology, art, sales, marketing, media, logistics, or health, it is the only sector which will keep related domain updated enough to face the changes occurred due to emergence of technology in it. Advancement and discoveries in any domain needs research. We have huge opportunities in the domain of research in every field. Research methodology is sloughing due to existence of big data and related technologies. Analytics is required to churn the data and find correlations in data pattern, which will produce trustworthy hypotheses whose end results will simplify the paths of discoveries. Research and development is going to produce avalanche of opportunities for analytics professionals. Are you ready to help R&D sector of India? Do you find yourself skilled enough to become individual research scholar and contribute to societal growth and upgradation? Whatever your goal is, it is achievable if and only if you are an analytics professional. Without the knowledge of data analytics, no experiments can derive hypotheses and no hypothesis can result into new discoveries. Thank you.